SMB, you don't know, me upload a video this man with Jamaica Michael Jackson and talk about Wessy Wessy. So see next part you know with Wessy Wessy with film side of story and thing. But when you listen to Wessy Wessy I say like the girl we are video Jamaica Michael Jackson are giving things what you say and then make something there. Sometimes through them know say a person them head partner so 100 and they want to eat a photo. Then bet them say some other little things and figure up their little career where they have one thing. You just listen to what Wessy Wessy have to say still. And remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to see.
Yeah, good morning people. My day are going easy. Just wake up to some good news, see me? Be a rumor. Everybody know me stay now. Everybody know Wessy Wessy now. Feed people and take care of people. So there's no way I can have somebody on my foot and in cheat them and make them have what they want, you see me? The man just want to go back to town and just kettle out himself and just go be a party. No one wait till the place open back. Him can go all about over the world. You know how we upon that. He want to go to town, so make him go on a town. I don't have the angle over that. You see me? You know woman, I like keep an house for. I love man. You see me? Stop make people tell over yourself and fool my boss. You see me? Because everybody know me read for you, I me write for you, I me do interview for you, I me do everything for you. The same girl in the video in the back line of the video, me know who. Her name is Jackish. Every day she beg me. See? So you don't know. Them can't help you. Them can't do nothing for you. And me respond to everybody and me boss everybody. Me respond to everybody. The people them know who me is. And me have a Wessy Foundation me give back to people. So why me feel give to people and you down my foot and me not give no and take care of you? You see me? Yeah, when I slippers I take people so my daughter slippers I wear. Stop embarrassing yourself here. Because everybody know a lie you tell. This way I say now add up. You see me? Can't bring me them. I work hard for everything what me have. Everybody know that. So me work hard for everything what me have. So what you watch I do? No, I'm gonna work my brother. You want to go back to town and me run away. You down my foot, you get everything what you want. You want to go back to town, brother. So if you want to go back to town bigger than me, I can't hold on for you, I'm a baby mother and I'm a woman. But I hold on for you for you to go on back to town if you want to go back to town. When me fall back at the house, you know, remember me not see you know, you have your own room, you have everything for yourself in the youth. And you go back to town. And I make people force you to do video for embarrass me. You can't embarrass me, youth. I want to hear youth. You're not doing no show. You're not doing no video ads. You're not doing no bookings. You're not going to wear the place locked down. And my money me use do everything for you. But people, I say God, right now I'm not give nobody else. Yo, I don't want nobody DM me in inbox me and about oh, where's your me from? I'm not bust nobody else. There's some people me give visa, the highlight, and I'm still turning back for me. I want to me show about my life, I never tell nobody thanks it, you know. And nobody can answer me ever tell them thanks it. You see me? I never tell nobody thanks it. Me, now stop the good. Remember that. Right now, I focus on my kids them. And all I want to do is give him a chance and him something. Chance upon balloon. I don't want to see him. You see me? I don't want to see him. Because if him can put me down like this, what you feel like? I don't want to see him. I do my own thing now. I focus on my kids them. And I don't have nothing bad to say about him. You see me? How long this ever go on for? 1 week and it blow off. And nobody don't want to see you back, brother. And me have all link, all connection for both everybody youth. I'm going to put it to the world. And you can't wait until the place open back. You run Ghana town. Stay down there and let me see if them can help you. I'm alright with me there. I'm good.
Them always say a two sides to a story and thing, but we hear the two sides still about something in a something why them two person have something to say about. Something go down while the two of them have something to say about them one another still. You see it, something big will come out.